So you made your game with AI and you think, oh yes, there is perfect, until it is not. I got this problem first. Now I have this rest option, but at first I didn't get it, and AI said I had it, even if I didn't. This is the result of me trying to do a full prototype entirely using AI. I used Claude to help me prototype or create a document for my Claude code, to use a Godot MCP to go directly into Godot and create the entire project. I really didn't do a thing except adding the add-on here for the MCP and this cloud.md here are the instructions for the Claude code. In this video I will show you the steps I took to get this final prototype working. Even if it's not what I really wanted, it's something that was worth doing. This is the starting. I set up my project here. I'm connected with the funplay MCP on my Godot project. Here, I teach that in a tutorial. And now I asked Claude Code to follow the instructions on this document of my game design document. It's for an MVP project, so this is a prototype, it's not the full project yet. And one specific thing I started to use is let me, the user, test and debug, because it uses so many credits of the Claude or any other AI, so that I prefer to do it myself. To check, I did a game before entirely with Claude Code. I just did some small changes, and it saves an image of the game screen and uploads this image and check the image, and then it does it a lot of times, and it consumes a real lot of credit. So I prefer to let it just write the code and create what it needs to create. And as you can see, it takes time. It takes a lot of time, sometimes 20 minutes, 10 minutes. So you just tell them what to do, tell the AI agent what to do, but you still need to be looking here, because it asks, can I use this, run this command, run this terminal command, and you need to say yes, otherwise you need to do it manually, or you need to check this. They can use MCP funplay write file, and can write a file in the game, yes, and I allow it for the entire session, so I don't need to hit yes on all of this. But it may ask for other kinds of permissions and other kinds, and you need to, yeah, you see, other kinds of permissions, and you need to stick around even if you don't need to do anything while it's the Claude Code or any other AI agent is working. And then when you open your Godot project while Claude's doing stuff here, you see that it asks for reload from disk, because it's being changed directly on the disk, not here. And you don't need to open this while it's typing here, you just need to leave it. So let's leave it. Claude finished doing what it was doing. It was step 1, hex, grid, and camera. So let's go to Godot and hit play and check. And yeah, it's not what I expected. I can move with right click, but my grids are really strange. So let me take a look. I'm just going to try to understand what Claude did. I have a map node and a map script here. Auto loads. Yeah. So the only thing it's strange for me is this visual here. Let's see what Claude says. Not this grid view. Play seems not hex grid but square. And more confirmations. You should read all these. Here you can see this time Claude is. Oh, gonna give it the zoom here. Okay. I found the actual screenshot files on disk because it's taking screenshots from this and the Godot environment to actually debug and try to fix what it did wrong. I didn't ask it to do it, but okay, it is doing. Okay, so Claude found this. Oh yeah, let's see what we got now. Hitting play. Yeah, it's too strange. I got square grids again, and it should be hexagon. I was looking through the code here. I think I found what made this strange square-ish look. It feels a square or a rectangle. And now let me see and ask Claude to change that. And let's leave it fixing that. And it says I got a proper grid right now. Let's see it. Hit play. And yeah, this time it got it right. I need to change everything here, other things here. But it's okay. It's a hexagon grid. First item in the to-do list here is done. Let's go move to the next part and let's see what Claude does for us. And sometimes they ask us things like, how should the map be split on 2-3 large biome regions? Nearest seed, Voronoi, randomize fluid fuel growth. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I like the first one. So it finished the second step here. Let's see what we got. Oh, interesting. It creates some biomes. We still have a lot of fixes to do, but it's becoming something. Please continue to the next step. I'm talking like this because I have all steps here. So it already planned to do all the steps and it's following its plan. And I just need to give some instructions, check, and keep giving instructions. Okay, it finished. Let's see. Reload. Let's just clear everything and hit play. Oh, better. Yeah, it's working. It's ready to. Yeah, I still cannot enter the. Great, it is working. I'm liking this prototype. I can't do it and I can't rest. Oh, yeah, that time it resetted. I don't know why, but okay. Great, it is working. Let's go and ask to do the next step. Please continue to the next. Let's see. Thank you. I like to thank. Let's choose this one. There are no rest options. I can't do anything when I got my overwhelm. Well, continue. Yeah. Please. Next step. It asks something. Each ceremony, blah blah blah. Don't want fully random. This one is better. Yeah, step 5 is done. Let's see if it was working just to see, but the final check I will do when everything is finished. I can't enter the tile. That's okay. I still want to see it finishing all the steps before I really check everything. Why didn't that? Please, let's say thank you before that. Thank you. And finally, here it goes. It took much more time than I expected this time, but let's see what we got. Display. Not end. Oh yes, enter tile. Right here. Okay. Tile perspect. And I cannot rest when I'm not full. Yeah, there are some things we need to change before going to the next step. Rest on any tile. Click with 48. Overwhelm. And that's okay. It said it's working now. Oh yeah. Wait. Tile. Oh, I cannot see right here. Actually, moving should cost days, not only. So let's see what it did here. Move, yeah, days are passing. Great. Okay, the next step, let's see if everything is really implemented. I asked it. Hex grid and camera, yes. Either biome generation, yes. Overwhelming movement, yes. IO mode plus resource location. Not the way I wanted, but yeah, it is working. Market location plus pricing. Yeah, I didn't check that. Let's rest. Gossip stud. Yeah. To save. I didn't try that yet. So I need to check the market and pricing and the autosave. Here, wait. Yes. Okay, let's go here. Enter tile. First for gold, 7. Oh, raw gemstone, 23. More expensive than the other one. Nice. Yeah. Great. The market is. And yes, Claude did everything it was asked to do. Not everything I wanted, but everything I was asked to do, and not exactly the way I thought, but I got this automatically and I just tried. So yeah, it's great. It's doing great. A great tool for prototyping, even for doing some small parts of a bigger game. But if you really want a game, you need to do some fixes yourself. So this is for my first test for this prototype called Code. And I also made another entire game using AI that is a roguelike. You can check it on my itch.io page here, link in the description. And you can see this game is really fun actually. And it's hard, as the original Rogue was hard, this one is hard as well. I challenge you to finish level 20 and beat the game.